What?
This sounds nothing like a normal cat. Someone
Would you like a
translate what
treat?
this cat is saying.
Do you want a treat? All right, come on.
People might think another animal is in the house.
How much more of a circle can you be?
Hard to believe such a small cat makes this sound.
Who's the meanest kitty of all? Why are you so mean?
Suspect it learns sounds from other animals. Other cats meow. This one likes to be different.
Your life is so hard. Oh, your life is so hard, isn't it?